Researchers at Louisiana State University say there's a bit of encouragement when it comes to the spill. Recent tests show many of the toxins are evaporating from the oil as it floats on the surface of the Gulf. At Dauphin Island Sea Lab today, this was welcome news, but even less toxic oil, was still a huge concern. Fox 10 News reporter Matt Barentine has that story.
The good news has come out of LSU, and everything's relative, but apparently this is going to be a not so toxic a spill. In other words, the sheen and the toxic components are evaporating fairly rapidly.
Dr. George Crozier, director of the Dauphin Island Sea Lab, says he'll take the good news where he can get it. Since the emergency began, researchers at the lab have been working tirelessly to collect data on the ecosystems in danger.
We have taken, over the last 10 days, an enormous number of samples. Plankton samples, fish eggs, larvae, grass beds have been surveyed. We're doing bird habitats today, in fact.
Dr. Crozier says you have to know what's in an environment to protect it, and the research is an effort to pin down exactly what effects even less toxic oil could have. Dr. Crozier says one of his big concerns continues to be marsh areas. If oil gets into those spots, it would be impossible to clean and could stay for years. Endangered species like this diamondback terrapin depend on our marshes. If these areas are clogged by oil, it could collapse the food chain. For now, though, good weather has given coastal areas a chance to prepare. But for Dr. Crozier, waiting is difficult.
So we don't know whether we're going to wind up with all this stuff in the marshes, on the beaches, or somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico. Kind of nervous wait and see how much we get.
And that's a question no one can answer. On Dauphin Island, Matt Barentine, Fox 10 News.
Well, we're told Sea Lab researchers have sampled the Gulf up to 35 miles out from Dauphin Island. And as of this morning, no oil.